So I'm in a 2016 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll pop down, and we'll look for this lever that should pop open the hood. That pop you could hear was the safety releasing, holds it shut. And if there's no tension here, double check this cable is attached. If there's no cable there, that's something you need to address. And I'll go up to the front. And it should be slightly loose now, so you can reach your hand in here. There's a lever right there we're going to push and lift. So push and lift. And then there's an arm you can pull out. Sorry for the camera work. Now that I pulled that out, this just leads right there. This is that lever I was pushing, which leads up here to this. Make sure there's no debris stuck in there that needs cleaned out, nothing bent or broken. And up top, this is where it's hooked onto. Same thing, make sure nothing's bent, and then make sure your hood's in proper alignment as well, because if that's off and crooked, that could cause you issues. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.